Girls and guys, something is seriously wrong here at the moment. I'll show you. We have a jet wash. We have a very, very, very unloved 147 GTA, and we have a Kirby.
Very enthusiastic Kirby, ready to clean.
He has come down with his Dodo Juice stuff. Who is currently doing all the promo for Dodo Juice at the moment, and he is going to try and tackle cleaning the GTA. And you're probably thinking, why would you waste your time cleaning the car that's not going to get fixed? Maybe I'm actually going to fix it. Maybe the project begins. He knows I'm lying, but yeah.
You've got no choice now.
Yeah, now I've literally got no choice.
No,
we have literally, we're forcing the hand to get it done. So I'm going to try and record it as we go. I've got some more goodies for the GTA that have arrived over the last couple of days. But yeah, I can actually say officially the project starts now. Damn, I'm gonna do it. Just enjoy that. I still can't believe it actually, it's got reflection to see Kirby, but yeah, look at that. Look, there's something growing in it. We'll go around to the back, it's got a little puddle there. It looks so unloved. So like I said, this hasn't really moved in a good 7 years.
2015 tax disc.
Yeah, no, we kept it in there for nostalgia purposes. Yeah, I mean, she is pretty nasty, but there, hold on, there is movement. I mean, we've got some lovely Schaefer parts ready to rock and roll. Wheel bearings are here, cam belt kits here. We've got some new number plates as well, although it being a time warp in here. But yeah, look, Talk Automotive on the bottom of the number plate, so they're ready to rock and roll. The car is a time warp because, as I said, this is my wife's car. I'll reword that to was my wife's car after I finish doing this. Also, let's just enjoy that level of filth and grime. It's just nasty. It is just nasty. So, there's a man that can. It's him. And yeah, let's see how Kirby does. See, look at the moss. Moss, be gone. I'm getting wet. Oh my god, it's actually caked in there. 7 years of just stuff. Do you know what's actually bad? The GTO is just getting all of the Alfa.
Getting a bit damp as well.
Yeah, no. You never know, that might be the next one.
Oh yeah?
Apparently.
Project number 2.
Maybe. It is literally project number 2, as well as number 3. And God knows about number 4.
Is that...
So he's obviously started the process. He's made the car very, very moist. Love that word. And he's put on, what's it called?
Crudzilla.
Crudzilla. He's doing panel by panel. By the way, I know nothing of cleaning cars. That's why these people exist. So he's put this stuff on. And yeah, the sticker is actually white, grey, red and black. Didn't know that. Where's the green? It actually looks respectable. But one thing that we do need to pick up on. So we have clean bucket and dirty bucket. After how many cleans?
2 pre-wash stages.
So 2 pre-wash stages, and it still looks like pond water. But the car itself has actually come up all right for its first clean before work starts. Well, technically work started.
Yeah, it's clean enough for work to start.
Yeah. It is not sporting moss in the windows. Obviously, just so everyone's aware, this was a first pass clean. It's just to, you know, not make it look too bad while the work's getting done. And doesn't seem too bad. I mean, it could have done with a clay bar and stuff like that, but to be honest, where do you stop? This is just literally your first pass to get it, you know, roughly presentable. As a dent on that bonnet there that I've just seen, that's new. Oh well, that's what happens when you leave a car for 7 years. So there's our first pass done. She is looking, she's very nice. Should be better with the wheels. Well, it's clean. It's clean. Well, I would say it's cleaner, but it's a hell of a lot cleaner than what it was. So my first one is a big shout out to a friend Kirby, and obviously you guys at Dodo Juice for doing that. It makes me very happy, very happy. So I guess the next stage is starting to actually rebuild the car. It's fun times ahead, people. Thanks for watching. Really do appreciate you all. Channel's doing great, thank you very much. And like and subscribe, and get ready for the next installment. And by the way, yes, I did try and get into a car and it was locked. So thanks for watching. I will see you all soon.